Now that we know what enzymes are and how they impact our lives, let's get back to how they impact medical device cleaning. Detergent manufacturers combine surfactants, or cleaning agents, with enzymes along with some other chemistries. Surfactants and enzymes are the workhorses of the cleaning process and work synergistically to aid in removal of clinical soils. In very basic terms, surfactants are comprised of two parts: a water-loving head group and a hydrophobic or water-hating tail. Depicted here in this slide is a blue sphere with two legs. Surfactants can also form what are called micelles, which we won't go into detail on how they function, but are important for trapping insoluble organics in the wash water. Enzymes, on the other hand, have what is called an active site, which is essentially like a mouth, and why enzymes are often depicted as little Pac-Mans. The active site is the location where the enzymes break down organic soils. So when it comes to cleaning, surfactants start working by penetrating stubborn, insoluble soils like fats and some proteinaceous material, providing better access for the enzymes to work quickly in breaking down the soils into smaller pieces and eventually releasing them from the surface of the device and into the wash water. Some of the smaller pieces will easily be carried out in the wash water, while some may still be insoluble. This is where the surfactant micelles come into play. They can trap some of these water-insoluble components, ensuring that they won't redeposit on the surface of the device and instead will be carried out with the wash water, making a more efficient cleaning process.